alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Yeah, Friday and Saturday you were saying they might deal with rain, Ivan?
Yeah, I think it's going to be a mess. I mean, I really do. It's going to be one of those deals where it's just going to be wet. The wind is going to be whipping as well on Friday. So we have not just a few showers coming in, which we can avoid and dodge, but this is going to be a storm system that will have kind of two phases to it. The first one will be Friday and then heading into Saturday, and I'll talk about that. But yeah, let's get ready for it. In fact, tomorrow, still another nice day. We're 74, gorgeous day today. Temperatures below average for a change at 79, humidity low. We managed our coolest morning of what will be the next 7 days. No question there at 63. Some of us in the upper 50s there, and now 80 degrees in Key West. And we'll focus in on Key West as a little renegade shower trying to make a run at you here. I think for the most part, it will be moving in over the next half hour to an hour if this holds. So get ready for a quick little downpour. That is the exception of what is a very stable setup here across the southeastern U.S. with high pressure in charge here, but that is not going to remain for long as we take a look at a Gulf system that will begin to get attacked together, I think, on Friday. So tomorrow still in the developing stages here, but once it starts getting ramped up and getting going here, it is going to send a lot of rainfall in our direction. And again, that's going to come in rounds. Both rounds, I think, for Friday and Saturday have the potential to produce some significant rainfall here, and I'll show you some of the totals. But this is the setup for Thursday. We're looking good as the low begins to lift up. We're going to be in this very unstable setup here with the warm front lifting to the north. That'll put us in that really juicy pocket for rain, thunderstorms. We have winds gusting to around 30 miles an hour. So a nasty Friday setting up. And then the front has to get through, the cold front associated with the same system. And that also has the potential to bring some heavy rainfall and some strong storms. Sunday is the pick of the weekend. There's no question about it. If you have outdoor plans on Saturday, pretty safe to move them either indoors or reschedule for Sunday. That'll be your best bet. Here's our high resolution model. Don't want to get too hung up on this because these will change, but just to give you an idea of what's coming. Inland showers Thursday, coverage 10%, not a big deal. Friday morning, the commute looks good. By midday, lunch, we start getting into the timing issue here. If this is a little faster, we'll be raining. If it's a bit slower, it's going to take a while to get here, but there is the potential for heavy rain coming in with one round as the warm front lifts up to the north. That also producing some heavy rainfall. Then southerly winds will be with us, but the front itself, the cold front, will move in through Saturday morning. That one also has the potential to produce some heavy rain. When it's all said and done, which will be by Saturday evening, we're looking at the potential for 3 to 5 inches. So eventually the ground will become saturated and won't be able to take much more water. And so we'll start getting into some flooding, I think, in areas here. Temperatures for tomorrow afternoon in the upper 70s. So here we go. Next alert for both Friday and Saturday, a 2-day stretch of some wild weather here across South Florida before we begin to improve. Sunday looks great, and then for early next week, dry and warming up.